Sir, I'm now discussing about the IMO performance standard for ICDIS. Module B, operational and functional requirements. The IMO performance standards for electronic chart display and information system are contained in MEC 530106 Rev.1 adopted on 24 May 2024. The revised standard introduced the transition toward the IHO S98, S100, and S101 standard. It applies to new ICDIS installation from 1 January 2026 on a voluntary basis and to all new ICDIS installation from 1 January 2029. Module B specifies how ICDIS should display, process, and present navigational information to support safe route planning and route monitoring. First is display of other navigational information. This requirement is covered under Section 7, display of other navigational information. A. Radar and AIS information. ICDIS may receive and display information from other navigation system, particularly radar information, AIS information, other navigation-related information. The additional information must not degrade or obscure and system database information. It must also be clearly distinguishable from the electronic chart information. B. Information must be removable. The radar, AIS, and other added navigational information should be capable of being removed by a single operator action. This is important because the navigator must be able to return quickly to an uncluttered chart display when necessary. C. Common reference system. ICDIS and additional navigational information should use a common reference system. For example, the position of an AIS target or radar target must correspond correctly with the position shown on the electronic chart. If a common reference system is not being used, ICDIS must provide an indication to the mariner. D. Radar overlay. The transferred radar information may consist of a radar image and or track target information. When radar imagery is overlaid on the ICDIS chart, the chart and radar image should match in 1. Scale, 2. Projection, 3. Orientation. The radar image and on-shape position should also be automatically adjusted for the antenna offset from the cooning position. The ICDIS display is target radar information to on-shape ENC chart information, depth, or buoy. Additional information must be clearly distinguishable, not hide degree chart information, be removable by an action, use a common reference system. Importance for safe navigation. The purpose is to allow the navigator to combine ENC information with real-time information such as radar and AIS without losing the important information contained in the chart. For example, during navigation in a busy traffic area, the OOW can use ENC together with AIS and radar targets to improve situational awareness and collision avoidance. 2. Display mode and generation of the neighboring area. This requirement covered under Section 8, display mode and generation of the neighboring area. For A. North-up display. ICDIS must always be capable of displaying the system database information in north-up orientation. Other orientations such as head-up or course-up are permitted. However, when other orientation is used, the change in orientation should occur in sufficiently large steps to prevent unstable or continuously moving chart display. B. True motion mode. ICDIS should provide a true motion mode. In true motion, the chart remains graphically oriented. The on-shape moves across the display according to its actual movement. When the shape approaches the edge of the screen, the display automatically generates the next area of the chart. Other display modes may also be provided. Automatic generation of the neighboring area. When true motion is being used, ICDIS should automatically reset and generate the chart display of neighboring area when on-shape is the distance from the display edge selected by the mariner. This prevents the ship from simply moving off and screen and ensures that the navigator continues to see the appropriate area ahead of the vessel. The manual adjustment. The mariner must also be able to manually change the display chart area. The navigator can change the area of the chart being displayed, the position of own ship relative to the edge of the display. This provides flexibility for the route planning, monitoring hazards, checking nearby navigation information, and examining areas outside the normal display. Areas without an appropriate ENC. If this display harbors water where no ENC at an appropriate navigational scale is available, that area must contain an indication warning the mariner. The indication tells the navigator to refer to the paper chart or use RCDS mode as applicable visual. Under Module B, ICDIS must present navigational information in a way that support the navigator's situational awareness, accuracy, and safe decision making. The display of radar AIS and other information must not interfere with the primary chart information. At the same time, the different display mode, particularly north, up, and through motion, must ensure that the navigator can continuously monitor the vessel in and its surroundings. Thank you.